Lerato posted this video on TikTok, and this was a message to all small content creators. She basically has a message to say that you should not feel small or feel like you don't belong in the spaces, because there are actually big influencers like back then when TikTok was a thing, where they laughed at small content creators lip singing to like songs and like voiceovers on TikTok because they thought that it was hilarious. Now the same big content creators have now opened TikTok, and they would put on their Instagram that they don't have a TikTok account. But in 2026, the same content creators have TikToks and are also getting brand deals from TikTok, not Instagram, because now they see that it's working. It's working for small content creators, and they want to be joined. They want to join that spaces, right? So I was going through the comment section, and I realized that people were searching Lerato and Cindy fallout, right? And I'm like, because I remember Cindy is one of like the content creators who opened a TikTok account like later on, and now she's like doing vlogs, the same thing that she's saying on this video, and people are now assuming that they are no longer friends, which is like insane because of they were at each other's wedding. And one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, it is always said that if you are in a private relationship or a friendship, and you go public, just know that that is the end of the friendship. That is what people say in the streets. If you switch from being private to being now public, like overly public, because we don't know when these two started to be friends. And I went to Lerato's Instagram, and she deleted pictures of literally it's only her and her work. She even deleted her wedding pictures. But I also went to Cindy's account, and I realized that she has their pictures together. Like she has not deleted them. Or if they really fell out, she hasn't had the time to delete pictures. I don't know. But I feel like it's not really that big of a deal. Like we haven't seen them together in a while. But again, they were private, so maybe they decided to go private again with their friendship. You never know, right? So guys, here is the full video of her explaining everything, and I hope it's not dedicated to her friendship fallout allegedly with Usindi. So here's the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.
I just want to come on here and just say to my fellow brand influencers, don't care about what people say about you. All the people that are speaking smack, they just want to be like you. They don't have the courage to do what you're doing, or they are beating themselves up for not doing it earlier. I'll give you an example of this. All the celebrities that were on Instagram 2020, 2021, that were laughing at everybody lip syncing on TikTok and doing all these things on some, I don't have TikTok on their Instagram bios. Oh, those people are on TikTok now. What are they doing? They are vlogging. What are they doing? They are selling you products because it's working. And they wish they did it earlier. Baby, do not ever care what anybody says about you. No matter how bad you feel, no matter how stupid it makes you look, keep doing what you're doing. If people are talking, you're doing something right, love. This is my breakfast today. I'm having chips, fish, a Russian, and an egg, and a roll. I'm very happy.